The Rack Shop is proud to present this Ford F-150 that has the 6.5-foot bed. We've just installed the Yakima SkyLine Tower rack system. The system has a quick release feature. This is mounted to the RollNLock XT bed cover. So what's included in this rack system, you've got the 68-inch HD load bar, the HD bar adapters, the SkyLine towers, which you just saw has a quick release feature, and landing pad 26. Landing pad 1 can also be used, but with 26 you have a bumped up weight capacity of up to 220 pounds carrying capacity. Landing pad 1 would be up to 165 pounds even with the HD load bars. So bars are adjustable along the length of the track. It's a great system for carrying gear down low and a little bit easier to get to. So this is just a quick look. For more details, click on the link in the description below. But like always, thanks for watching.